So right now I have my lamp at its brightest setting. We have a photodiode right there. It's setting the current that charges the capacitor, but the capacitor is already charged right now. I have a switch here to discharge the capacitor, and when I release the button, now the capacitor charges. So you can see that voltage rising steadily until about the very end. But in any case, it's a steady rise right there. That's a voltage ramp. You get a voltage ramp when you get a steady current through a capacitor. So now I dim the lamp right there because it's a photodiode. The amount of current that it lets flow through it depends on how much light is falling on it. So there, we got less light right there, and so it's going slower. But again, it's a ramp. It's going up steadily because there is a set amount of current that is going through the photodiode. And at some point it'll get to about the 5 volts which we have at the supply, and then it will stop. So now here's the schematic diagram I drew for the circuit that we just measured. Those are all connected right there. Those are all connected right there. I know a lot of people like dots. But in case, we got a capacitor. I used a 1000 microfarad capacitor in series with the photodiode. And this resistor sets a maximum current. Doesn't set the current unless you got extremely bright light on there. This will limit the absolute maximum. But in any case, the photodiode should set the current in most circumstances. Now, we have a switch parallel to the capacitor, so we can instantly discharge the capacitor, because most of the time it's going to stay at the maximum voltage. It will if we never do that. So, press the button, the capacitor discharges, then you release the button. The capacitor is going to charge through the photodiode for the most part, right there. Photodiode, as long as the light is steady, the current's going to be steady, and the capacitor voltage is going to rise. When the capacitor voltage rises steady, which it does with steady current, that is known as a voltage ramp. Pretty straightforward right there.